there, future digital boss. Welcome to BDigitalDreamDollar, where AI, automation, smart strategies unlock limitless online income. If you've been searching for the best ways to make money online, stop scrolling. This is where your journey begins. Let's be real, working a 9-to-5 isn't the dream. But what if I told you that right now, people are using AI to create digital businesses, automate side hustles, earn passive income all without needing huge startup costs or advanced skills? On this channel, I'll be sharing exact strategies that can help you turn AI tools into cash machines. Whether you want to sell digital products, start an AI-powered business, or make money while you sleep, I've got proven, step-by-step methods just for you. No gimmicks. No get-rich-quick nonsense. Just real strategies that work. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius. AI does the heavy lifting for you. The future of online income is here, and I'll show you how to tap into it. And here's a challenge for you. Watch just one video, try the methods, and see what happens. You'll be surprised at how quickly things can change when you have the right knowledge and the right tools. Your digital success story starts now. Are you ready? Let's go. So, if you're tired of watching everyone else make money online while you sit on the sidelines, it's time to take action. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because each video will bring you a new money-making blueprint. And here's a challenge for you. Watch just one video, try the methods, and see what happens. You'll be surprised at how quickly things can change when you have the right knowledge and the right tools. Your digital success story starts now. Are you ready? Let's go.
What if I told you that AI can make you $100 in the next 24 hours? No experience, no fancy skills, just a simple AI tool that does the work for you. Stick around, because today I'm showing you exactly how to do it. Making money online is easier than ever, but most people don't know where to start. Today, we're using AI to make the process fast, simple, and profitable. First, you need an AI tool that can create something valuable for you. Let's go with ChatGPT for content writing. This AI can generate blog posts, product descriptions, and even business emails, skills that businesses will pay for. Next, you need clients. Go to Fiverr or Upwork, set up a gig offering AI-generated content, and price it at $10 to $20 per order. Alternatively, find small businesses in Facebook groups that need help. Now let's fulfill an order. The client requests a 500-word blog post, and ChatGPT generates it in seconds. Copy, format, send, and boom, you get paid. Don't believe me? Here's proof. Many people are making $100 or more daily using AI services. The best part? It's 100% beginner-friendly. Now it's your turn. If you want to start today, check out my free AI money-making guide in the description. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more AI money hacks.
Imagine waking up tomorrow with an extra $100 in your account, all made from the internet. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's 100% possible. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $100 online within 24 hours, step by step. The best part? No experience needed, no fancy skills, no investment, just a laptop, your phone, and a willingness to take action. So if you've ever wanted to make money online, this is the video for you. Stay till the end, because I'll also share a secret trick that will help you scale beyond $100. Before we jump in, Smash that like button to help more people discover this, and subscribe for more money-making tips every week. All right, let's get started. To make $100 in 24 hours, we need methods that pay quickly. Not all online income methods work this fast, so we'll focus on 3 that are realistic, beginner-friendly, and require no upfront money. Method 1. Freelance gigs. Earn $20 to $100 today. Did you know you can get paid today for simple tasks like typing, writing, or designing? Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour allow you to offer small services and get paid fast. Quick tips: sell a skill you already have. Writing, logo design, voiceovers. Offer a fast delivery service, 24-hour completion. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing gigs or Canva for design. Method 2. Testing websites and apps. Earn $10 to $50 per test. Next up, getting paid to test websites. Companies will literally pay you to review websites and apps and give feedback. Quick tips: sign up for usertesting.com or try my UI today. Earn $10 to $50 per test. Takes around 10 to 20 minutes each. Pro tip: keep notifications on so you grab high-paying tests first. Method 3. Selling digital products. Earn $10 to $100 in one day. And finally, one of the easiest ways to hit $100, selling simple digital products. Quick tips: create printables, ebooks, templates, or stock photos. Use Canva. Sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Redbubble. Use ChatGPT to write an ebook in minutes and sell it for $10 to $20 each. Now that you know the fastest ways to make money online, here's what you need to do next. Action plan on screen. Pick one method from the list. Sign up on 2 to 3 platforms. Start applying for jobs or uploading products. Be consistent and deliver fast. Remember, money loves speed, so don't overthink. The people who make money are the ones who take action. Okay, so now you've hit $100. How do you scale this? Scaling hacks, freelancing, offer premium services and upsells, user testing. Sign up for multiple testing sites. Selling products? Use TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram for free traffic. Bonus tip: use AI tools to work smarter, not harder. AI can write, design, and even automate tasks so you make more money in less time. And that's it. You now have a proven roadmap to make your first $100 online within 24 hours. The only thing left is for you to take action. Comment below. What method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more money-making secrets. Blast off money.